Solve the logarithmic equation below. Which of the following is the solution? So I ideally want to solve this equation by writing it as a single logarithm. That way I can switch to exponential form to help me solve. So because these logs have the same base and they're being added together, I can compress them into a single log with one of my properties of logs using multiplication. So this is going to be log base 4 of x minus 4 times x minus 10, and that equals 2 still. So I can compress the sum of two logs into a single logarithm by multiplying the inputs. So this becomes log base 4 of x squared minus 10x minus 4x is minus 14x plus 40 equals 2. Now I can switch this to an exponential equation. So my base is 4, my exponent is 2, and it equals the input of the log. So 4 squared equals x squared minus 14x plus 40. And now I have a quadratic equation to solve. I want one side to be 0. So I have 0 equals x squared minus 14x. 40 minus 16 is 24. Okay, and then I'm going to factor, trying to make a double bubble. And I want to think of two numbers that multiply to 24 but add to minus 14. So if they multiply to a positive but add to a negative, they have to both be negative. And numbers that multiply to 24 and add to 14 would be 12 and 2. Okay, so then we can set each factor equal to 0 and we get x equals 2 or x equals 12. That is option A, but we do need to be careful, right, that these are both solutions. So I should plug in to check. So I'm going to do a little check over here. Log base 4 of 2 minus 4 plus log base 4 of 2 minus 10 equals 2, question mark. So I've got log base 4 of negative 2 plus log base 4 of negative 8. Does that equal 2? And the answer is no, because you can't take the log of a negative number. Okay, the domain for logarithms is only positive numbers. So I know that x equals 2 can't be a solution. Let's come over here and just double check the 12. So log base 4 of 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, no negatives, that's good. Plus log base 4 of 12 minus 10 is 2. That's good. Does that equal 2? Yeah, it does. Right? Because log base 4 of 8 times 2, that's 16. Log base 4 of 16 is in fact 2, because 4 squared is 16. Okay, so 12 is my only solution. That's option D.